In this tutorial I will show you how to change the currency on the Amazon mobile app. Follow these steps. Open the Amazon mobile app on your smartphone. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Country and Language. Here you can see an option called Currency. Tap on that and choose the desired currency from the available options. Tap on Done to confirm the changes. The currency on your Amazon app will now be updated to the selected country's currency. So that is how you can change the currency on the Amazon app.